The night in the old house. It is a cold evening. Emma and her brother Jack are at their grandmother's house. The house is old with many rooms and old furniture. The wind blows outside, and the trees make strange sounds. The lights flicker, and Emma says, Jack, this house feels a little scary. Jack laughs. Don't be afraid. It's just the wind. They sit near the fireplace and drink hot chocolate. Grandma tells them stories about the house. She says, This house is more than 100 years old. Grandma says, Sometimes at night, people hear a soft sound upstairs. After dinner, Grandma goes to bed early. Emma and Jack watch the rain from the window. Suddenly, they hear something tap, tap, tap. It comes from the second floor. Emma looks at Jack. Did you hear that? Jack nods. Maybe it's the wind again. They slowly go upstairs. The hallway is dark. Emma holds Jack's hand. They see a small light under a door. Jack opens the door slowly. Inside, there is an old piano. The sound comes from there. Emma walks closer. The piano makes one soft note. Ding! No one is sitting at it. Then they see a little window open behind the piano. The wind is moving the curtain and touching the keys. They both start laughing. It's just the wind again. In the morning, Grandma smiles and says, This old house still likes to play with the wind. They all laugh. The night is quiet again. Emma closes her eyes and sleeps peacefully. Thank you for listening to this simple story. Key vocabulary. We focused on simple words like flicker, upstairs, tap, fireplace, and curtain. Grammatical focus. We successfully practiced simple present tense and simple questions. Example, did you hear that? Your turn. What makes you afraid at night? Tell us in the comments using simple English sentences. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more A1 Easy English stories. Good night and sweet dreams.